In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Claude account banned or suspended. Let's get started. The first and most important step is to submit an official appeal through the Claude Support Center. Open your preferred web browser and search for Claude Support Center. Once you're on the support page, submit an appeal explaining your situation. Make sure to include important details such as your account email address, a screenshot of the suspension message, any billing receipts if you have paid a subscription, and a clear explanation of how you have been using Claude. If you believe your account was suspended by mistake, politely mention that you have not intentionally violated Claude's usage policies and request a manual review. If submitting an appeal does not resolve the issue, you want to check whether you are connected to VPN or not. In case you are connected to VPN or proxy, you'll need to disable it. Likewise, you can verify your identity. Complete the verification process carefully. This may require uploading a valid government-issued ID, taking a selfie for identity verification, and following the instructions sent to your email. Completing these steps accurately can help speed up the review process. Another tip is to avoid logging in and out of your account. Too many login attempts with a short period can trigger automated fraud detection systems, making the situation worse. You should also review your billing information if you are a Pro subscriber. Open your profile settings, navigate to billing section, and make sure your payment method is still valid. Verify that your card has not expired and there are no chargebacks or disputes with your bank and that your billing information matches your reason. If you have already submitted an appeal and completed all the recommended steps, the best option is to wait for a manual review. Appeal responses may take several days, so be patient and avoid submitting multiple requests as they can delay the process. Finally, always use Claude through its official website or official applications. Avoid unofficial APKs, modified apps, or unauthorized third-party clients as they may violate Claude's terms of service and put your account at risk. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.